Well, today's the 5th of November and I'm bored and I want to make fire. So, somewhere on here I'm going to dig a little pit because I'm going to build a bonfire. So I've got all this wood here, got some logs there, got that door there, got some wood here, got some wood there, and of course that which, I've not finished taking apart. So, yeah, this is going to be fun. I've only got a few hours before the sun goes down, so I best get a wiggle on. Oh, it's a nice little pit dug. It's about, 2.5, 3 feet wide. Should be enough to build a nice pyre for sure. Now to get my breath back and get breaking some logs up. Whew. Digging's hard work. Piggy's out in the wild. Well, with the uncle's assistance, we've got this nice little bonfire built. I'm just going to start stuffing the paper in it for lighting up later. I've already, shall I say, pre-lubricated it with some used engine oil, which I took out of Poston the other day. So, yeah, roll on darkness. I can't wait to, let me pyromania go. Where do you think you're going, Peggy? Hey! Psst. Peggy, come here. I'm going to have to chase after her. Well, that's what's basically left of the sofa. That's the soft stuff. And some of the hard stuff, with a few little bits of it in there. It's amazing how much doesn't go into a sofa these days. It's mostly just, filler. A lot of empty space and springy elastic crap. So, probably shouldn't really burn that stuff, but, yeah. There's going to be a lot of it going on tonight, being Bonfire Night, so, yeah. Well, I'm going to go back indoors where it's warm, and I'm going to come back out when it's dark. Nobody do this for an intro. Can't really see them all that clearly from over here, but, yep, somebody's having some good fireworks going. I'm sure as the sun goes further down, it'll be extra sparkly. Right, getting bored of the uncle. I'm waiting for the uncle even. Okay, my lighter doesn't want to work. Certainly a lot of paltry fireworks going off tonight. Make a lot of noise and then just waiting for the big shows to start somewhere over in that direction. See what I mean? Bloody awful. Still, got that going. Lovely. And tonight's booze choice, Lindisfarne Mead, which is brewed honey stuff. Tastes alright. It's got alcohol in it, that's what matters. Ooh. couldn't be arsed chopping that up, so chucking it on whole. Beautiful. Ooh. Well, that seems to be it for the most part tonight. Still some occasional big booms, but not like the display we had over there, where that's about to go off. That was pathetic. So I'm going to call an end to the video here. So if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can see me doing that. If you want to leave a comment, they go down below. Again, you can see it. If you want to subscribe, it will be next to the fire somewhere over there. And until next time, bye bye.